I have been like an activist. Maximum number of questions I have taken up in the assembly, and I have received accolades for it. Congress Party made me a working president. I never demanded it. They made me a working president. Maybe they had obvious reasons, and I could make out that there are so many tricks being played now to malign my image. So many, the way they are projecting, like as though I am a villain, when I have got any issues about corruption, nor issues about any intent to destroy the interest of the state on any issues, whatever may be the interest of the constituency and the state. There is no compromise on any issue nor any interest where the state is involved.